Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao, also known as Green Flam Liao Liao, chapter 100. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. Right now, Song. She was with friends, eating on the cafe downstairs of the company. It seems that the three of them busy talking about on something else. Well, Song, she seems to be exhausted. Well, this past day, she's been really busy on things. After Ayu saw that picture last night, she fooled me to choose this way for a long time. Well, at least the two of them have a tacit understanding of each other. I actually bought several pieces and I was almost exhausted. Well, Song, the relationship between Ayu and her is really good, especially these days. A friend said, "Hey, let me ask you, what did you ask to help with yesterday?" Well, it seems that their friend are really interested on what's happening on the two of them. Right now, Song, she's trying to explain to her friends, "Oh, it's Ayu's birthday and I'm wondering what gift to give her." Right now, one of their friends said, "That's right, think about it. You and Mr. Fay have known each other for so many years and it's time to reminisce everything's what happened." Now their friends are really supported on the relationship. It was 10 years. How romantic. Friends said to Song. Now she's being jealous by holding her face. Well, the three of them are really cute, talking normally like this, asking everyone for advice. The friendship they really have. I thought of a. Right now, of course, her friend tells her silly things. Well, right now, Song. When she hear what friends said for, said to her, playing so weak. Well, of course, Song will never do that. But right now, her friend said, "Believe me, Mr. Fay will definitely be under your control." Oh, it seems to be. This girl is so silly. And now she's raising an eyebrow towards Song. But where can I get the props? Right now, her friends, it was a quiet cricket. Have you forgotten what we just do? Find something and sew it for. Change it and worry about the whether it will be used or not already. It seems that their friend is really silly and always ready to make up pranks or something else. Well, one of the friends said it was daytime and to show off you're being silly. Now the two of them got scolded, shaking their head. Of course, you will really deny it. The days of Feiyu's birthday, Feiyu was at her home together with Song. Already? Why did you get up so early? Feiyu was asking Song. She was still sleepy when she wake up. But right now Song, she moved closer to her, kissing her on the cheeks. Well, it really makes sense. It was really her birthday, of course Song wanted to surprise her. So she can be surprised when she wake up already. Now Song moved closer to her. She was holding her cheeks and said, "Happy birthday, baby." Oh, this girl, she was really the sweetest. I really want to greet Peiyu when she already wake up. Peiyu said to her, "I was moved. Thank you, baby." Now Song, she was rubbing her body. The two of them seems to be laughing on each other. They seems to be so much happy. Right now, Song said to go to the kitchen. "Come on, I prepared a birthday breakfast for you." Turns out, it was a birthday noodle with an egg. What a great girlfriend she is. You really wake up early just to prepare this for her. Roll it in your body before eating to send away bad luck and welcome a good fortune. Our sweet song are really sweet. When it becomes to Feiyu, right now, the two of them are really happy. Song get the egg and rub it on her face. May the new year be successful and successful with no illness or disaster. Song really wish it for her, of course. She will wish everything for her. No need to explain. The noodles, they are longitude noodles, so you have to eat them all. Bayu, right now, she's been feeding by Song. Okay, I will definitely eat cleanly. Now, it's like it was a promise. She will really finish a birthday noodles bowl. Now, looking at Bayu, she seems to be excited on eating all of it. Now, she was really slurping. She already done, she put the bowl down. Turns out, it was really empty by her. Maybe Song. She was really a good cook today. Also, Bayu, of course, she don't want to hurt her. Right now, looking at it, Song moved closer to her, and she was asking her to wait for a moment. Right now, Song said to her, "You don't think it's really just an eggs and noodles too?" Of course, right now, Song will prepare her a gift and said to her, "Well, take it apart and take a look." Well, what silly things do you think it was? Song Yu really follow her friend's advice. Of course, it was a silly things. Oh, there is a surprise. It's in the latest tablet. It can be used for work, and we can also watch the TV show together practically to the max. Right now, a sweet little song. She moved closer to Feiyu. Fries, come on. After another, what should I do? I don't want to go to the work all today. Like now, she behaved in a spoiled manner. Just want to stay at home with you. Feiyu said to Song. Turns out Feiyu, she was really sweet. Song said, if you don't go, I will go. I have to go to the market today to find a new fabric. Now Song, she was really laughing hard. Of course, she wanted to disobey you, but right now, let's go to work and make money. Come back from the market after I finish my work and wait for you to come home to continue celebrating your birthday. Turns out Song, she was really professional. Now, it really handles her. Small Q version theater. Right now, poor Fei Hao was really flayed by her. Of course, Song. I really don't want her to abandon her work, to work together today and to finish work, and so they will go home early. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!